Good morning everyone. This is video number 2. As in the video number 1, I give the introduction of the chapter Some Application of Trigonometry. Now in this video we will start with the exercise 9.1 question number 2. As question number 1 we had done in the video 1, let me start with the question. Now the question is that a tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bend so that the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle 30 degree with it. The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meter. Find the height of the tree. Now this is the question, but before starting the question, first of all what we have to do, we have to draw a figure. So let me start with the figure. Now there is a triangle, but you can see that B, C dash, these 2 points, this is the height of the tree, this is the total tree, and a tree breaks due to a storm, so this is the broken part, and this broken part bend, and so it touches the ground. So this AC and the AC dash, both of them are equal. Why? Because this one part is same, that broken down and touches the ground, so this is the broken part of this tree. So AC dash and the AC are equal, that I am taking here, and it makes an angle 30 degree with the ground, so this is a 30 degree. And next thing that is given in it, that is the foot of the tree and the top of the tree that touches the ground, the distance between these two is 8 meter. This is the next thing that is given in this question. Now we have to find out the height of the tree. It means that we have to find BC dash. This is the total height of the tree. So let me take the triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, this is 90 degree. So we require this one length. So we can apply the perpendicular and base relation, that is with the 10. So tan 30 is perpendicular upon base, and that is equal to AB upon BC. Tan 30, the value of tan 30 is 1 by root 3, that's correct. That is equal to AB, and the value of BC is 8. So in place of BC I write down 8 here. Now after cross multiplying them, AB under root 3, that will be equal to 8, and the AB is equal to 8 by root 3, and that is, we have to rationalize it, and we get this answer 8 root 3 upon 3. This is the first thing we find out, this AB. Now as we know that AC dash and AC both are equal, if we will find out AC, that will be equal to AC dash. So let me find out AC. Now base is given, we require the hypotenuse. So which one relation we have to use? Yes, we require the cos. So again in the triangle ABC, now the cos 30, that is equal to base upon hypotenuse. So the value of cos 30 is root 3 by 2, and the base is BC and the hypotenuse is AC. Let me put down the values here. So root 3 by 2, that is equal to 8 upon AC, and the AC is equal to 8 to the 16, 16 by root 3. We rationalize it and we get this answer 16 root 3 upon 3 meter. Now we get the value of AB, we get the value of AC. Let me find out the height of tree. So that is equal to AB upon AC, AB plus AC dash, and the AC dash, that is equal to AC, and we have the value of AB and the AC. So let me put down these values, AB plus AC. So these are the values. After solving them, we get this 8 by root 3, 8 into root 3 meter. We have to write down meter also. If we will not write it down, then 1 by 2 marks can be cut down in the board exam. I hope that all of you get this question clear. Let me start with the next question, that is a question number. Now in the question number 6, a 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30 meter tall building. The angle of elevation from his eye to the top of the building increases from 30 degree to 60 degree as he walks towards the building. Find the distance he walked towards the building. Now in this question we have to find out the distance that he covered towards the building. So first of all let me draw the figure. Here is a boy DG. This is the height of a boy, that is 1.5 meter tall boy, and he is standing in front of a tower. in front of a tall building, that is AE, whose height is 30 meter. The boy, his eyes making an angle of elevation at the top of building, that is 30 degree, and gradually he moves toward the building, so the angle increases from 30 degree to 60 degree. So in this way we create the figure. Now we have to find out the distance that he traveled toward the building, this one, that is CD, or we can say that FG. This one distance we have to find out. So what is given in this? The height of a boy, that is 1.5 meter, and the height of the building, that is 30 meter. We have to find out, either we can say that DC or FG, both of them are equal. So let me start with the question. First of all, this is the total height of the building, 30. We can break into the two parts, that is AB plus BE. So I write down here, and BE, that is equal to DG. So both of them are equal. So it means that in place of BE, can we write down 1.5 meter? Okay, fine, that is right. So in place of BE, we can write down 1.5, as BE and DG are equal. So after solving that, we can find out the height of AB, that is equal to 28.5 meter. Now if we will see in the figure, this is the figure. First of all, we will take the triangle ABD. Now we will take the triangle ABD. Here this one side, now this is equal to 28.5 meter. Fine. So in the triangle ABD, tan 30, here angle is a 30 degree, perpendicular upon base. The perpendicular is AB upon BD. So let me put down the value. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3, AB is 28.5. We will find out the value of BD. The value of BD is 28.5 root 3 after solving this. Now in triangle ABC, tan 60 degree, that is equal to perpendicular upon base. Here in the triangle ABC, the angle is 60 degree. Perpendicular is AB and the base is BC. Now after solving this, we get this answer. The tan 60 is root 3 and the AB is 28.5, and we can find out the value of BC. The value of BC is 28.5 upon root 3. Now as we know that the BD is equal to 28.5 root 3, that this is the answer that we find out here. So we have to find out CD distance. So BD we can write down, if you will see the figure, this is BD, we can write down BC plus CD. Fine, BC plus CD. We know the value of BC, we know the value of BD. Can we find out CD? So that we are doing in here only. So let me start with it. So BD is equal to 28.5 root 3, and that we can write down BC plus CD, and this is equal to 28.5 root 3. We have the value of BC, we will take BC to that side. Fine. Now so the CD, that will become 28.5 root 3 minus 28.5 by root 3 after putting the value of BC. So after solving that, after taking the LCM, we get this. Now we can take out the common 28.5 and we get 3 minus 1. So it will become 2. So 28.5 into 2 upon root 3. We rationalize it. After rationalizing and solving, we get this answer. I hope that all of you get clear this concept. Now let me come on the next question, that is question number 8. Now in the question number 8, this is very important question and listen it carefully. A statue 1.6 meter tall stand on the top of pedestal. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of statue is 60 degree, and from the same point the angle of elevation of the top of pedestal is 45 degree. Find the height of pedestal. So here first of all what we have to do, we have to draw a pedestal, and on the pedestal there is a statue. So let me see how can we draw this. So here this is a figure. Here the BC is the pedestal and the AB is the statue on it. As all of you know, नीचे एक पेडेस्टल बना हुआ है हमारे पास, उसके ऊपर हमने स्टैचू रखा हुआ है. इसके ग्राउंड पर एक पॉइंट है G. फ्रॉम दैट पॉइंट अ पर्सन इज सीइंग ऑन द टॉप ऑफ द स्टैचू एंड एट द टॉप ऑफ अ पेडेस्टल. इन दो जगह पर वो देख रहा है तो जब वो टॉप पर देख रहा है इट मेक एन एंगल ऑफ 60 डिग्री, ये पूरा एंगल हमारे पास क्या है, दैट इज़ अ 60 डिग्री। और जब वो पेडस्टल के टॉप पर देख रहा है दैट इज़ एन एंगल ऑफ 45 डिग्री, तो वो हमारे पास एंगल क्या है, 45 डिग्री है। नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द पेडस्टल हाइट, सो इट मीन इज दैट वी रिक्वायर दिस वन हाइट. So let me start with this. How can we do that? AB, we know that the height of statue, that is 1.6 meter, and BC we have to find. So let me start with the triangle BCD. This is a triangle BCD. Here tan 45, that is equal to perpendicular upon base, so BC upon CD. So after putting that we get this result BC upon CD, that is equal, both of them are equal, and this one we called it as a equation number 1. I hope that all of you get clear till here. Now let me take the triangle ACD. Now in the triangle ACD the angle is 60 degree, so the tan 60 is equal to AC upon CD. AC we can write down AB plus BC, the height of pedestal, plus the height of statue, and the tan 60 is √3. Now let me cross multiply it under √3 CD, that is AB plus BC. From the equation 1 that we already had done, that is BC plus BC, that is equal to CD. So in place of CD we can write down BC also. So here it is that under √3 BC, and that is equal to AB plus BC. Now after solving it we get the value of BC. BC we can take out the common, that is √3 minus 1, and AB is 1.6, that is already given. So after solving BC, √3 is that. Now we rationalize it, and after rationalizing it we get this 0.8 √3 plus 1, and this is the height of pedestal. I hope that all of you get clear this concept. Thank you student, and have a nice day.